We're going to be talking about an engine coolant temperature sensor today. What we have is a negative temperature coefficient thermistor, and we're going to check the resistance values as the temperature decreases and increases. So let's see what it's like inside the freezer. Well, I've got the ECT sensor out of the freezer. Let's hook it up and see what happens. It took me a second to get the pins hooked up, so the temperature is already starting to go up, and you can see the resistance is decreasing like an NTC thermistor should. And now we're going to do a time-lapse video and see in quick time what's going to happen as it heats up. Now that I've taken the blow dryer off of the sensor, you can see it's starting to cool back down and the resistance is going back up.